going on, YouTube Nation? This is Darth Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. So I have the 5 top dividend growth stocks for December. And let me know if you agree. These are very popular dividend stocks. And if you have a counter offer, post below. And the person that gets the most thumbs up or likes in their top 5 dividend growth stocks, I'll do a video on it as well as give you a shout out. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Smash that like button. Let's check these stocks out right now. And the first dividend stock I want to discuss is KeyCorp. I literally posted a video on these guys, so I went in depth with those guys, so I'll put it in the top right-hand corner if you want to check it out. I actually sold a dividend stock for these guys. They have a dividend yield of 4.70%, a PE ratio of 7.96, average volume 11.11 million, market cap 16.28 billion US dollars. Its year range is 1526 to 2717, way down, which is why I started buying these guys again. Day range is 1742 to 1841. Its previous close was 1855. Now check out this dividend growth in these guys. 1, they're not doing too hot against the S&P. 2, they're a very strong financial sector stock. Watch my previous video. And again, this is not financial advice. It's for entertainment purposes only. Disclaimer in the description. But let's check out their dividend history. And check out this dividend growth. In 2014, it was 7 cents. 2015, it was 8 cents. 2016, it was 9 cents. 2017, 10 cents. Through 2018 to 11 cents. To 12 cents, and then all of a sudden 17 cents in 2018, 2019, 17 cents, to 19 cents, and then 2020, it was a little stagnant. You can blame the pandemic a little bit, 2020 and 2021 at 19 cents. Then in 2021, it was 20 cents, and then it just cracked 21 cents. So the payout ratio is 36%. Number of dividend increases in the last 5 years is 5. Dividend growth in 5 years is 10.65%. So if you bought 1 share, you made 82 cents with a 4.42% dividend yield. That is very attractive. Now let's check the next dividend stock. And next is Johnson & Johnson. It's sitting at 178.78. And I can tell you right now, I worked 4 out of 5 days and I'm exhausted. And guess what I'm taking? Tylenol. So I'm taking Tylenol, and guess what? That's one of Johnson & Johnson's biggest over-the-counter products, other than baby shampoo and other things that they have at the store. So, you run to CVS, you go last minute, you buy a Band-Aid. Guess what? You see the J&J logo, you see Tylenol, you see a lot of products that they carry. Their vaccine's actually somewhat decent against the bug, if you know what I'm talking about as well. Dividend yield is 12.53%, a PE ratio of 24.89. Average volume 6.56 million. The market cap is 467.42 billion US dollars. Its year range is 155.72 to 186.69, and its day range is 178 to 179.36 with the previous close of 178.88. So what excites me? First of all, these guys are a big company, have a lot of products. They're almost like they have so many Johnson & Johnson products in the store, healthcare related or analgesic, for pain. Tylenol is a big thing. They try to avoid non-steroid anti-inflammatories because it can beat up your kidneys a little bit. So, this is an alternative to narcotics, and people get hooked on narcotics. So you always try to start with Tylenol as a pain reliever first. Their products are in the hospitals a lot. I cannot tell you how many times I've done a med pass and I see the Johnson & Johnson logo with their Tylenol. And they're not doing too hot against the S&P. So that's one thing. They're somewhat affordable at 178.78. But what excites me a lot is their dividend history. We'll start in 2017. It was 80 cents, and then 84 cents. Then 2018, 90 cents. And then 2019, 95 cents. And then 2020, 101. 2021, then 106, then 2022, 113. So that is a payout ratio of 45%. The number of dividend increases the last 5 years is 5. Dividend growth in 5 years is 6.04%. So if you bought 1 share, you made $4.52 with a 2.53% dividend yield. That's not bad at all. Let's check out the next dividend stock. And Pepsi is another stock that is doing very well and is a solid dividend growth stock. It's sitting at 183.12. Dividend yield of 2.51%, a PE ratio of 26.20, average volume 4.80 million, market cap 252.29 billion US dollars. Year range is 153.37 to 186.62. And its day range is 182.32 to 183.94. And its previous close was 185.69. So it is getting up there, and it is beating the S&P, which is very attractive. Their dividend growth is so solid. It's actually better than Coca-Cola, and I'll compare both of them in a second. And check out their solid dividend growth. Let's start in 2012. It's 52 cents to 54 cents, and then 57 cents in 2013 to 66 cents in 2014. 2015 it was 70 cents, and then 2016 75 cents. 2017 81 cents. 2018 93 cents, and then to 96 cents. To 102 in 2020, and then 2021 102, and then 108 in 2022 to 115. Payout ratio is 69%. Number of dividend increases in the last 5 years is 5. The dividend growth in 5 years is 6.53%. So if you bought one share, you made $4.60 with a 2.48% dividend yield. Now they are a little bit pricier. They're sitting at 183.22. I'll go over Coca-Cola real quick and notice the difference. So here's Coca-Cola. 2010 it was 44 cents, 2011 it was 47 cents, 2012 it was 51 cents. Then you get a nice stock split. 26 cents to 28 cents to 31 cents in 2014, 2015 33 cents, then 2016 35 cents, then 2017 37 cents. 39 cents in 2018, 2019 40 cents, 2020 41 cents, 2021 42 cents, and then 2022 44 cents. So the payout ratio is 71%. Dividend increase in the last 5 years is 5. Dividend growth in 5 years is 3.03%. So if you bought one share, you made 176 with a 2.73% dividend yield. Now, let's check the next dividend stock. And next dividend stock is Procter & Gamble. It's sitting at 149.09. Dividend yield of 2.45%. A PE ratio of 25.84. Average volume 6.48 million. The market cap is 353.30 billion US dollars. Year range is 122.18 to 165.35. Day range is 148.27 to 149.67. And its previous close is 150.61. Now they have so many products in the store, and their revenue is phenomenal. I don't have to go over the revenue because they're generating so much revenue. Same with Pepsi. So here's the thing. Procter & Gamble's dividend growth is solid, and they're actually doing pretty well against the S&P in the past 5 years, which is really good. Now, let's check out their dividend history. Let's check this out. 2012, it was 56 cents. 2013, it was 60 cents. 2014, it was 64 cents. 2015, it was 66 cents. 2016, 67 cents to 69 cents. And then 2018 to 72 cents. To 2019, 75 cents. To 2020, 79 cents. To 2021, 87 cents. 2022, 91 cents. Payout ratio is 63%. Number of dividend increases in the last 5 years is 5. Dividend growth in 5 years is 6.30. So if you bought one share, you made $3.65 with a 2.43% dividend yield. That's pretty solid. Now let's go to the final dividend stock. Final dividend stock is Realty Income. It's sitting at 62.24, a dividend yield of 4.78%, a PE ratio of 58.20, average volume 3.98 million. The market cap is 39.03 billion US dollars. Year range is 55.50 to 75.40. Stay range is 61.75 to 62.90. And here's the thing. Somebody made a comment on my wall after a video that I didn't show Realty Income. Watch my video regarding my revenue on my E-Trade dividend portfolio, and you'll see how many shares I own and how much dividend income I earn from Realty Income. So we're going to check out their revenue, because usually with a real estate investment trust, 90% of what they make go back to shareholders. You need to check out the revenue with real estate investment trust, because if the revenue is good, usually there's a good dividend hike by the board of directors and they make the call. So let's check out their revenue and dividend history. Now here's a revenue in millions US dollars. 2015 is 1,023, 2016 1,103, 2017 1,215, 2018 1,327, 2019 1,488, 2020 1,647, then 2021 2,080. That is very attractive to me. So they're increasing their revenue and they usually increase their dividend. Let's check that out. These guys call themselves a monthly dividend stock for a reason. So here's 2017, they were 21 cents. 2018, 22 cents. 2019, 23 cents. A little stagnant at 23 cents. Slowly moving to 24 cents in 2021. Then 2025, they are 25 cents. So they're jumping up and they're stagnant at 25 cents. And the number of dividend increases in the last 5 years is 23. That's because it's like 24.1, 24.2, 24.3, 24. So that's how the hikes are going. That's why they say 23. That's basically what's going on. Payout ratio is 77%. You bought one share, you made 298 with a 4.73% dividend yield. The dividend growth in 5 years is 2.98%. All right. I mean, but it is hiking its dividend. That is the one thing that is attractive. If you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Give me your top 5 in the comment section, and the person that gets the most likes, I'll do a video on their dividend stocks. You guys take care and have a good one. I'll have a video for you tomorrow. Take care.